Another is a manage SELinux on the port labels. So guys, I hope all of you know about the ports. We have discussed a lot of the things based on the port. So different type of the services, not a physical port. I am not talking about the physical port. I am talking about the logical port. So every service is running and using the specific port number. For the example, HTTP is using the port number 80, SSH is using the port number 22, FTP is using the port number 21. So this such type of all the services are running specific on the port number. But sometime for the security purpose or other reason, the attacker is going to be change the port number. The administrator is going to be change port number, like HTTP should be run on the port number 82, 88 or any other port it can be defined. So if the port number will be changed because the port number 80 will assigned for the HTTP, and also this is permitted by the SELinux as well, because SELinux is extra type of the security. So let's see what happened. First I need to check here sudo and systemctl and status of the httpd command. It is running. So great. Now I need to be open this file, configuration file of this. So the file is etc into the httpd and then httpd configuration file. I need to be open by using the BI editor /etc httpd and the httpd configuration file inside the httpd conf file. Okay, so this is file. In this file the different things are mentioned here, where you will find the port number also mentioned here. So it will use the specific port number. Okay, so what is the port number is here. I want to be change the port number. So where it is, I need to be find out first the allowed port number, or on which port number it is running. So here user group, so it is listening on the port number 80. So if I am going to change the port number 82, any port number you can assign here. I am going to save this file. Now because until I will not restart the service, it is not going to be impact or effect. So I need to be restart the server, and when I am running this command I am getting the error. And what is the error here? Systemctl, and I don't know what is the error, so I need to be check the error. If you want to be check the state, so you can run the status. Either you can run this command to getting the error. What is the problem faced by this service? Okay, so status here, httpd service I am running. So here the HTTP service failed, and HTTP could not server fully qualified, and where is the issue? I am not able to get the issue here. So here is the problem is the permission denied. Could not bind the address. Could not bind the address. So what is the binding process? If you think about the binding process, where you will understand, like any website, xyz.com, any website, it must be binded with any specific IP address and the port number. So this is IP address is good, 0.0.0.0 or any, this IP means any IP, whatever the host IP. If the IP will be changed, so no issue. And port number has been 80 converted to 8282 because this is actually not allowed. Who is protecting this or who is denying this? SELinux. Because inside the SELinux it is defined to run this service over the port number 80. Okay, so because I have changed the port number 82, that is the reason it is not running. So if it is not running, so what I can do here, if I am going to restart again, so journal ctl -x eu and httpd. Okay, so on this you can get the same error here. This is the permission is denied. Okay, so once the permission is denied, because the socket has not been created, make the socket. So what is the socket? If you remember, because we have discussed in a networking, socket is equal to IP address plus port number is equal to socket. It will create a socket specific. Okay, so socket is not created because the permission is denied. Why? The port number is converted to 80 to 82, 80 converted into the 82. Okay, so if you want to be solve this problem, so if you are going to disable this service, so once you will disable this service, you can restart. Either you can use this semanage and port number 80 httpt and TCP2, right? Okay guys, so right now what I am doing here, now I find there is a problem with the could not wind with this address on the port number 80 0.0. Port number 80, okay, 82. So what I can do, I am going to set enforce is equal to 0 or disable. After disabling the SELinux, I am trying to start the service, and when I will check the status, so service is running. So it means the problem caused by the SELinux. Why? Because the port number has been changed. Now it is running over the port number 82, right? And again, if I am going to set enforce 1, means I have enabled the SELinux, and if I will try to restart the service, I will get the issue again. If I will check the status, so the same thing. Okay, right now what I can do, if the issue with the port number 82, so what I will do, I can use the command semanage port number A, type is HTTP port and -p, given the TCP port number 82, because the HTTP I have converted into the 82, and HTTP is using the TCP for transportation, not UDP. That is the reason is defined here, the TCP. Okay, so that's it. I need to put the sudo here first. So right now, if I am going to restart the service and check the status here, so here is go. Now it is fully active and configured and running over the port number 82. Similar, any service, it may be the FTP, SSH, HTTP or any other service, if I want to be bind on a specific port number, so I need to be assign everything. Okay, so it's all about the how to configure the SELinux over the port level.